Hello! As you maybe know, or maybe not, I don't know. I'm Alex from the YouTube channel edrive. Well, unfortunately, in my Renault Zoe fully electric car, I got a few times the message on the display, limited performance. And then the power was really gone. The car was driving very slow, but on the left side the battery indicator shows still a lot of energy inside the battery for driving. It's still very full battery. Then I called the Renault Assistance service. There's a special number to call inside the car. And then there was a very friendly woman. And she told me, yes, that's no problem. We will send you a pickup car, a tow car, to get your car. And we will bring it to the next Renault service center who can handle that high voltage cars. And they will fix it. And during that time, they will give me a free replacement car where I can drive. And she said, where I am right now, I should just call a taxi. The taxi will bring me home, and the Renault service, they will pay the taxi. That's no problem, she said. And then the replacement car, they will bring it in front of my house. That's very perfect. That's a first class top service. And now I'm waiting for the tow car who will bring me and bring the car to the next special Renault service center who can handle that special car, because not every Renault dealer, not any Renault Garage can handle that special high voltage car. Now this tow company came to pick up my car. That's Albrecht Towing Company from Tuttlingen, Deislingen, and they will put up my car to this special whatever truck, and they will bring it to the next Renault Garage where they can fix that high voltage car. Now my car is up on the truck, they will secure it, and then driving to that Renault service garage where they can fix this special car, because not everyone can do it. Now the tow car driver allowed me to drive with him to the Renault garage where they will check the car and see what is wrong with that car. And there, that's the Renault garage. Checking on. Now the tow car driver is unloading my car. Great. Very nice guy. Very good company there. Achso, soll ich runterfahren? Ja. Klar. Yeah, so now I left the car at the Renault service center. And they told me they will call me what's going on and what happened to the car. Let's see. Then they delivered a free replacement car, Mercedes E-Class, while they're fixing the Renault car. That's the car behind me. That's a Mercedes E-Class 200. I will show you that. It's a E-Class, so that's a very good expensive car. As you can see, it's E200. That's the free replacement what I got for the Renault Zoe car. There is no limitation for driving kilometers. There's no limitation at all. I can drive wherever I like, as much as I like. That's very perfect. So let's see when will I get back my Renault Zoe car and what they fixing. So it's really a perfect service of that Renault company for the electric cars. Yeah, because I'm still having a warranty and they give me a free replacement, not of a very low class car, no, it's a Mercedes-Benz E-Class with fully equipped. It's leather, half leather inside. There are all assistance services inside, what you can think about. It will automatically brake if there's a car in front of you. There's a speed control. There is air control, sure, and air condition. It's everything inside, whatever you like. And Renault will pay that car while they fixing the Renault Zoe car. So that's really a perfect service. Thumbs up for Renault for this good service. The only bad thing is this is a gasoline car with 185 horsepower. It's not an electric car because the car is not direct from Renault. It's from a car sharing company called Buchbinder, and that Buchbinder company told me, I'm sorry, we don't have electric car, we only have gasoline car. That's why I'm having now a gasoline car, but yeah, it's okay. It's a Mercedes high-class car, E-Class, not only a C-Class, it's an E-Class. Thank you Renault for that, and see you soon in my future videos. Bye bye.